To remove and install the 12-volt battery on your Pro XD Kinetic, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Next, lift up the passenger side seat and remove the storage bin. Then, remove the high voltage service disconnect loop. The battery service disconnect must be removed to separate the high voltage system from the 12-volt system. To do this, slide the lock tab up and push in on the tab below the lock while lifting up to disconnect the connector from the high voltage system. Next, loosen the black negative battery cable clamp first to prevent arcing and set the cable aside. Then, loosen the positive cable fastener and set the cable aside. Use care to ensure tools do not come into contact with both battery posts. Next, remove the battery hold-down strap fasteners. Then, slide the battery rearward and pivot the bracket out of its retention tab in the frame to remove. Continue by lifting the battery out of the vehicle. If electrolyte spills, immediately wash it off with a solution of 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 cup water to prevent damage to the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Before continuing, clean any dirt or debris from the battery holder. Next, place the battery into the battery holder with the terminals facing the rear of the vehicle. Then, set the battery hold-down strap on the battery and slide both forward to engage the hold-down's retention point. Continue by installing the battery hold-down strap and torque to specification. Next, install the positive cable first and torque to specification. Then, install the negative cable and torque to specification. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reconnect the service disconnect connector until it clicks in place. Then, push the red lock tab down to secure the connector. Continue by reinstalling the storage bin and lowering the passenger seat. Finally, turn the vehicle on to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.